Creating amazing art with Leonardo AI, step by step. Tutorial. Are you eager to unleash your creativity and produce stunning images that will leave everyone in awe? Look no further. With just a few simple steps, you can tap into the immense artistic potential of Leonardo AI to craft your very own masterpieces. Get ready to embark on an artistic journey like no other as we guide you through the step-by-step process of creating beautiful and awe-inspiring images. Let's bring your imagination to life with Leonardo AI. Step 1. Sign up or create an account. To get started with Leonardo AI, you'll need to sign up or create an account using your Google account. Go to the Leonardo AI website and click on the Sign Up or Create Account button. Follow the prompts to complete the registration process. Step 2. Basic settings. Once you're logged in, let's set up some basic preferences. You just put the basic information they need accordingly, like give a username, select any 3 options, and click Next Step 3. Interface overview. The Leonardo AI interface is user-friendly and intuitive. On the left side of the screen, you'll see several important options. Coins. This represents the number of tokens available for generating images. It determines the complexity and length of the artwork. You may have a limited number of coins based on your subscription or plan. Number of images. Here, you can choose how many images you want to generate in a single session. Remember that generating multiple images may consume more coins. Dimensions. Specify the dimensions for your images, such as width and height, to suit your requirements. And more. Explore the interface further to discover other helpful tools and features. Step 4. Image generation. Now comes the exciting part, generating your own AI-generated images. Click on the Image Generation button. You'll be prompted to enter your creative prompt text. This is the textual input that guides the AI to understand the style or concept you want to achieve in your image. Make your prompt clear and specific. Optionally, you can provide a negative prompt. This is a text input that helps the AI understand what you don't want in your image or any elements you want to avoid. Once you've added your prompts, click on the Generate button. Leonardo AI will start processing your input and create the images accordingly. Step 5. Finalizing and downloading your artwork. Depending on the complexity and the number of images requested, the generation process may take some time. Be patient and let the AI work its magic. After the generation is complete, you'll see a collection of AI-generated images based on your prompts. Browse through them and choose your favorite. When you're satisfied with your creation, simply click on the image you want to download. It will likely be displayed in a larger view. Right-click on the image and select Download. Choose a location on your computer, and voila! You now have your amazing AI-generated artwork downloaded and ready to use wherever you like. Congratulations! You've successfully created your own artwork using Leonardo AI. Feel free to experiment with different prompts and settings to explore the full potential of this powerful AI tool. Happy creating!